and welcome back to the Trisha Taylor channel. Today we are going to be doing something super fun. We are going to be going through my Boxycharm premium subscription. Do me a favor, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification so you know when I am posting new videos. If you are a fellow charmer and you're curious what I got in last box month, make sure you head over to my IGTV channel, Trisha Delin, and I posted a video on last month's Boxycharm as well as a makeup look that I created with that. So we're gonna go ahead and dive in and let's see what we got. The theme for this month's Boxycharm is summer. Surprise, surprise, it is July and it is hot, okay? So these cards come with every single Boxycharm, and they're also going to list on the back the products that you get with the retail value so you know how great of a deal that you are actually getting. So let's go ahead and take a look at this first product. This first product is a lotion. This is by Lord Jones, and it is a moisturizing CBD oil lotion. This is so cute for the packaging. It says the Lord works in mysterious ways. I don't know if Jesus is down with CBD, but you know, it's all natural, so you know, maybe he is. This is what the product looks like. Let's go ahead and squirt a little bit on here. All right, so CBD oil, I like to put this on my shoulders. It helps me just relax. If you've ever gotten a massage, a lot of the services, you can add CBD oil to it, and it's just like a nice little kind of muscle relaxer. So let's see what our card says about this product. All right, so Lord Jones High CBD Formula Body Lotion. It's the ultimate multitasking body lotion with CBD and shea butter. It creates a cooling and calms the body. I do kind of feel that cooling effect, which is perfect for summer. The soothing CBD infused body lotion is formulated to moisturize and create a cooling sensation upon contact, and that bad boy retails for $40. $40, people. 40. Love it. I did try this the other night before I went to sleep, and it was nice. It does. It creates like this nice little cooling effect, and it definitely just, you know, kind of relaxes you a little bit. Our next product up is this hair mask. It is by Nelson Beverly Hills. I get Brazilian blowouts, but in between treatments, I love doing a nice hair mask. So I have not tried this one yet, but let's see what this little bad boy does, okay? So this retails for $24. It's 100% argan oil. It delivers moisturizing hair treatment for color treated, dry, or damaged hair. It's also supposed to detangle, controls frizz for that humidity in the summer, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine. So if you're having a nice little pool day, this would be a great treatment to do before you dip into that pool, and enhances hair's natural body. So it's supposed to give you a little bit of volume too. This next item I thought was so cute and colorful for summer. It's a Boxycharm product. I'm always looking for cute little zip-up bags to put product in, whether it's my face sunscreen or my compact for doing little touch-ups. So this month we got this cute neon jelly makeup bag from Boxycharm. How adorable is this? All right, so this retails for $20 on the Boxycharm store. You can always add add-ons. If you didn't get this in your box that you got this month, you can always go to the Boxycharm store and purchase options at a discounted price. So these vibrant colors, it is water-resistant neon jelly pouch for essentials for all your summer needs. It's perfect for storing beauty products, beach necessities, and much more. I mean, hello, it doesn't look a cute bag. I do. If you don't, what do you put your stuff in? Like, what? Okay, people, so let's get into the fun stuff. The reason why we subscribed to Boxycharm in the first place, the makeup. So next up, we have this kind of all-in-one nice little summer compact. This is by Brow Bar. And this palette looks like this. It's got a nice mirror and comes with a great brush. So this product retails for $45. All right, so This is by Rima's Hollywood Iconic Face Kit in Drama Queen. Each palette comes with a bronzer, translucent powder, blah, blah, blah. 2 shades of blush, 2 shades of highlight, 4 shades of eyeshadow, and a brush. It's a complete look, ready to go, all in a beautiful gold compact. So if you're on the go and you don't have a lot of space or a lot of room, this is a perfect cute little compact to just pack up and take for summer. I was a little disappointed to see that this translucent powder was so white. Probably great for my pale allies. However, for us brown skin girls, that translucent powder is definitely not gonna work. I don't know what I would use that for. But overall, you know, cute, nice little compact. I'm probably gonna get this to my sister. She'll like it. Okay, so this next product I was the most excited about. It is dun, 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 the Manny MUA times Morphe. And this is what it looks like. It comes with a nice mirror. I did see on Manny's video that he posted about this that these are not his formulas. So Morphe did all of the formulas for this eyeshadow palette. He just helped kind of create the color scheme and the creative concept. So this retails for $20 at Morphe. It is a 12 pan palette with wearable colors, anything but basic eyeshadows. It includes mattes and shimmers, and it has 2 stunning highlighters. So we're gonna dig into this and we're gonna put some on and see how this works. So come closer, closer, closer. Okay, so we're gonna create kind of a fun smoky eye with this, and I've got my little brush right here that we're going to tap into. I'm going to tap into this color right here. Okay, so we're going to start and we're just going to pack this right into the eye socket here. We're going to create like nice cute little smoke look. Okay. Okay, I've got that nice and packed in, and now I'm just going to take the other clean side and we're going to buff that out a little bit to create that nice smoky look. Next, I'm going to go in with this brown color down here. I'm going to go right above that eye socket, just barely kind of overlaying it, and we're going to press that in right there above it. Kind of bring it over here. Again, we want that area very concentrated, so we get a really nice blend on it. Okay, and then I'm just going to blend this shade out here. Nice blended. This kind of creates that nice and smoky look. So now I think I'm going to go into kind of this little blank area that we left there. A little small detail brush, and I'm going to go into Cancer. This color right here. This looks like a nice fun shimmery color, and we're just going to go in right here. Okay, cute. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and pop some lashes on, and we'll be right back. Okay, and we are back. So I did add a little blue, light blue, to the waterline, and I went back in with the color Scorpio in the palette and added to the inner corner and the brow bone to finish out this little eye look. So as you can see in this palette, we do have 2 highlight shades. So let's go ahead and apply that and see how it looks. So normally for my highlighter, I would probably lean towards this color a little bit more, but we're gonna have some fun today and go in with Nova instead to see how that looks on us. I'm gonna take my fan brush, apply some right through here. Ooh, look at that highlighter. This is like a really cute color. It kind of almost has like a little peachy undertone to it. But I like that, guys. I like it a lot. Yeah, almost put a little bit on the end of the nose as well. Okay, cute. So that wraps up the Manny MUA times Morphe palette, and I really like it. It's nice. Okay guys, we are down to the last item in our Boxycharm box, and it is this bad boy right here. So this is the No Makeup Lipstick by Paracon MD. I think I'm pronouncing that right. This retails for $30, and it's a cushionary skincare infused lipstick with a sheer wash of natural looking color, as it visibly improves firmness, smoothness, and definition over time. So this is kind of a no lipstick look, and this is the color right here, so y'all can see what it looks like. It looks like that. And let's put this on and check it out. Okay. All right, that is pretty. It's just got kind of like a nice little sheer tint to it, so really cute. So overall, I thought that this month's Boxycharm was fantastic. Each Boxycharm has a little bit different variation, so I was variation 49. So if you got different products in your Boxycharm, that's totally normal. Make sure you go online and take their beauty quiz and fill out so they know what your preferences are and actually what you like. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe, make sure you hit those notification buttons, and make sure that you follow me on my IG, Trisha DeLynn, because I do post more content over there than I do here on my YouTube channel. So thank you guys for tuning in, and go ahead, slay the rest of this week, beauties, and we'll see you next time. Bye. So this month, these people in my hallway are so loud. That just scared the shit out of me.